Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. So in today's video we are working on this Piccolo Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS. Sorry about that. Number code for this unit is KP1A 3B or KP1A0. So you can see this. Produced by KRUPS. Okay, so the unit looks like this. This is a Piccolo XS machine, black. This specific unit works perfectly, but for the sake of this video, I just want to make a disassembly video in which you can see how to disassemble it if you want to work on it. So let's not waste time anymore and proceed with the disassembly. First of all, of course, you have to disconnect the mains. This is a no-brainer, so please don't work on your electronic units when they are connected to the power grid. So no. Okay, then remove the water tank. This fell already. It removed by itself in my case. Then the coffee cup tray, and inside there is the capsule tray. Now, after removing all these parts, accessories, then we have to go ahead and remove the two sides. So this is on a skeleton constructed with two shells, one on the left, one on the right. So basically what we are doing is removing the two sides, exposing all the internals on the skeleton of the unit. Okay, then here we have only one screw, so this unit is held only with one screw, but with a lot of clips, so we will reach that point in just a second. Okay, for this screw you will need a Torx bit, basically a star bit like this. By the way, here right in this hook, which hooks to the water tank, you have the descaling needle, this one. Please don't lose it and take it out right at this point, otherwise when you open it up, this unit will fall inside and you will lose it. Okay, we'll put it aside, and then with this screwdriver we will remove the only one screw that holds in place this unit, this one. Okay, and then here is the tricky part. Here we have some clips. So as you can see, we have 4 clips. One is here, one here, one here, and one over here. So what we have to do is pry a little bit up each clip. Gently do this with a flathead screwdriver because they are really brittle and they will break. So let's do one. Like so. Keep it in this place. If you have a pry tool, try squeezing the pry tool between this part over here, like so, and leave it there. Now this clip will not go back anymore. Here we have the other clip. Managed to clip this back over here. And again over here. Like so. And then on the back side we still have some clips. One is over here, and then gently, then we have over here some continue further and further. Here we have to completely disassemble this part. This is also held in place with some clips. Bring this part up, and we also have a clip right under here, like so. And the other part, it's over here. And here is the internal parts of this machine. You now have access to the heater element, the pump, the PCB board over here, the switch over here for hot and cold water, and of course on the brewing head, if you want to, I don't know, clean it or descale it, if you have a lot of lime scale or stuff like that. If you want to, yeah, to remove this o-ring over here, which is the cause of leakage underneath the water tank, then also this is simple. You only have to remove these two clips over here, and this part it's going up. So yeah, this is how to disassemble the Piccolo XS machine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now I will go ahead and reassemble everything back together. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the new camera angle and the lighting in the comment section below. If you have any question regarding this video or other coffee machine topics, I will gladly help you and respond to you. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.